Alright folks, next off the list we're going to be scrapping an RCA TV from January of 1995 here, folks. Oh yeah, she's an old one. She should make a nice pop, nice busting sound. Let me get the picture here so I can see what I'm doing. Probably going to hit it right there. Oh, she didn't do shit. Got my axe stuck, folks. Got my axe stuck. We'll get her right back in the picture. Oh, I'll probably hit it right there. Yeah, folks. Don't breathe the dust coming out of the TV. Don't breathe the dust. People give me shit all the time. Oh yeah, give me shit all the time. I usually take the two corners out at top and bust this little back right off. I'll do it towards the camera so shit flies over there. Cover up my face. RCA TV was a little bit tougher, folks. A wee bit tougher. Oh yeah. Holy shit, ski. We get dusty. Oh, that's pretty much scrapping an RCA TV. I won't hold you back any longer, but I'm just going to smash that metal out. Take that TV out, smash it down with my axe. Oh yeah. Gonna add me some clean copper there, as you can tell. Yeah, that shit goes for like $2.60 a pound. I smack all that till I get all that stuff out of there. And I got me some more copper stuff there. Trim all this wire out of there. Get all these little copper bearings, motors out of there and crap. So there's more copper there. Take the metal, throw it in my metal pile. Glass goes in the dumpster. And that's scrapping an RCA TV from 1995. Oh yeah.